sure that they realize that they've got a tough 75 days ahead of them because the Dennis Cologne ticket is not going to rest. We're going to get across the finish line, and we're going to represent you on the coast.
O'Brien!
We're going to win in 75 days. We're going to win because we're passionate about education. We're passionate about the future of the state of New Mexico. We're passionate about working hard for young people in New Mexico. Young people like the young man standing right in the back of the room. That young man's by the name of Ansley. Ansley is a good friend of Raphael.
Oh, I saw
it. When you read the Albuquerque Journal, you read a great story on the front. You know, I've been in this for a long time. I can't make the front page top fold of the Albuquerque Journal. But my neighbor and Raphael's friend Ansley, he made the front page top fold. Why? Because he's got a heart of gold. He saw a problem. He got Ansley collected over $2,000 worth of school supplies. And when he came to my house for a contribution, he said, Brian, will you give me a contribution? I'm collecting money for school supplies. And of course, I pulled out the $20 bill first. And then I said, well, who started this organization and what's it called? He said, well, it's called SFK. I said, SFK, that's pretty cool. I said, what's it stand for? He said, Supplies for Kids.
Oh, wow.
It's pretty straightforward. Well, I said, who started Supplies for Kids? He looked at me as confident as ever, and he said, I did. It's a local organization. Those are the stories we don't get to hear about, but those are the stories that give me the energy and the passion to get up every day and work my heart out to be your next Lieutenant Governor on November 2nd. And let me tell you, my running mate is doing just the same thing. She has been passionate about education. She has been passionate about early childhood development. She has been passionate about getting schools, teachers, the resources they need for their classrooms. Each of you know that I tell the story all the time. Aleli, my wonderful bride, she's a civil engineer by education. She went on to get her master's degree, and then she went into nonprofit work. So you know what she does, right? She's a school teacher. Exactly. So we know what it is to have the challenges in that classroom. We know that unfortunately, so many times when Aleli has her parent-teacher conferences, she's sitting across the table and helping with the help of her educational assistants beside her. She's sitting across from not a parent, but unfortunately, an empty chair. And until we continue to believe together that when we invest in education, it is fundamental economic development for our state, we'll continue to have that empty chair.